Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. But in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make homemade apple pie. Alright, so I'll show you guys step by step how to make this delicious apple pie, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton. Alright guys, and I want to also tell you guys, in the month of October I will be uploading videos every day in October, so come back every day, okay? Come back every day and you'll see a video from me. Alright, and all my measurements and ingredients for this delicious homemade apple pie will be in the description box down below. And I want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. When you guys watch the ads in my video, that helps me out a lot. I would really appreciate it. And also want to ask you guys to please go and check out my playlist in the description box down below. I will leave a few of my playlists. Just go check out my playlist and run those numbers up. Thank you very much. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my homemade apple pie. Enjoy! Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is show you the ingredients for my dough. So over here I have some salt, shortening, flour, ice cold water, and some butter. So I'll show you guys the next step now. So the first thing I'm going to do guys is pour my salt into the flour and give it a stir, just like this. And then I'm going to pour in my butter and my shortening. Then you're going to take your hands and you're going to mix it up until all the butter and the shortening melts into the flour. So we'll be back. So all our butter and shortening mix up into our flour here. So we're gonna do now, we're gonna pour some ice water and you're gonna mix it up here, and you're gonna try to form a ball. Pour some more ice water. Remember guys, you have to use ice water, cold butter, and shortening if you want your pastry dough to come out perfect. Alright guys, so I'm going to roll this into a ball now and we'll be back. Alright guys, so our dough finished mixing up. So what I'm going to do now, I have a plastic wrap here. So I'm going to put the dough into the plastic wrap just like this, and then I'm going to fold it up, and then I'm going to put this in the fridge for about half an hour. So we'll be back. Alright guys, so these are my ingredients for my apple pie. So over here I have some chopped up apples, white sugar, nutmeg, clove powder, and cinnamon powder, and I also have some vanilla essence over here. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is pour some sugar into the apple, for my vanilla essence, my nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and clove powder, and I'm going to mix everything up together just like this. Mix it well. So my dough is in the fridge right now, so I'm going to take it out and roll it out and show you guys the next step. We'll be back. Alright guys, so I just took my dough out of the fridge. So this is how it's looking here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to break it in half and put the other half back in the fridge and roll it out for you guys. So here it goes guys. I'm going to roll this out, roll out the dough. Just like this. Right, so when I finish rolling out the dough, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I just finished rolling out my dough here. So this is the pan that I'll be using to bake my apple pie. So I'm going to take my dough now, put it over the pie, just like this. Guys, so I put the dough into the pan just like this. So what you're going to do, you're just going to press down here, and the edges for the pan is very sharp, so all you have to do is just press it down just like this, and it's going to cut right up just like this. Okay, and it's going to come off the excess it's just going to come off just like this. Alright guys, perfect. So you're going to do now, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour in my apple. And spread it out just like this. Spread it out. Perfect. I have some more here. Let me just remove a little bit that leaf back here. Yeah. And the top part now, I'm going to roll out the top part, and we'll be back rolling out the top layer. So okay guys, so I just put the top layer on top of the pie here. I thought I was videoing, but unfortunately I wasn't. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take a knife and just maybe just put like an X just like this so it can breathe, and put it in the oven to bake. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so before I put it in the oven, I forgot this part. Before I put it in the oven, you're going to take some egg wash and gently rub it at the top here, just like this here. So we'll be back. Now you're going to put it in the oven. Alright guys, so my apple pie is all done, and it's been cooling down for about half an hour. So what I'll do now, I'll take it out of this pan here and show you guys the end result. We'll be back. So guys, I'm gonna take the pie out of the pan just like this here. So this is how the pie is looking. So I'm gonna cut it and show you guys. So I'm gonna cut the pie open now guys. So here goes. It's very flaky. So I'm gonna pull out this piece now. And put it into my plate here. So this is my apple pie guys. See the inside how it's looking. Here you go. It's gonna be so delicious guys. I'm gonna try it on camera now and you guys see. Okay guys, so this is the end result for my homemade apple pie. So here it is. So I'm gonna taste this piece that I just cut out. It's still a little warm, but that's okay. So here goes. Wow, this is a good piece of apple pie. You guys really need to try this recipe. Trust me, you will love it. And it's full of flavor. With all the different spices, I can taste it as well. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys? And don't forget to subscribe to Natural Afton. I will leave that link in the description box down below. And all my measurements and ingredients for this delicious apple pie, I will also leave in the description box down below. Okay, so take care and have a blessed day. Bye.